The rice is kind of mushy now. It's almost cooked. Our milk to our cooked rice. The milk to the rice and let it cook. Stirring the milk and the rice. Stir your cornstarch, half a cup of cornstarch with 1 cup of milk, 2-to-1 ratio. Adding 1/2 cup of cornstarch with 2 cups of milk into our rice and milk mixture. Add your sugar to your rice and your boiling milk. Vanilla to the rice and the milk mixture and the sugar. We have our rice pudding here that will not be cooked in the oven. It has a big slab of butter on it, and Seville's going to now sprinkle it with cinnamon. And she said this is how you eat it in Azerbaijan, with tons of butter and cinnamon. Each of the ramekins with your rice, milk, vanilla, and sugar mixture, and they're going to bake. This is a baked dessert. Even though it looks like rice pudding, it's going to be baked. We're pouring water into the tray with our little ramekins, our little bowls of the rice pudding, and the water will help it cook and keep it moist and prevent any burning. Topping our baked rice pudding with chopped nuts, a little extra flavor and a little embellishment for our dessert.